Hi guys. In today's lecture, I will discuss about history of Python. And Python actually was developed by Guido van Rossum in the late 80s and early 90s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands. Okay, so Python is derived from many other programming languages including ABC, Modula 3, C, C++, Algol 68, Smalltalk and Unix and other scripting languages. And Python is copyrighted like Perl. Python source code is now available under the GNU General Public License. And moving on to next topic, and that is why Python was created. Actually, in late uh, 80s, Guido van Rossum was working on the Amoeba distributed system group. He wanted to use an interpreted language like ABC that could access the Amoeba system calls. So he decided to create a language that was extensible. So now moving on to next topic, and that is why the name Python. It wasn't named after a dangerous snake. Rossum was a fan of a comedy series from the 70s, Monty Python's Flying Circus, and the name Python was adapted from the same series. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video.